Hey Laura, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting this custom video. So today I'm just going to show you a few tips that you guys can start applying right away to rank for your keywords and pages a little bit better and to get more of those organic leads. So here we are on your website. And you guys have a nice looking website. It looks like you have some different service pages, which is awesome. You want to have a page for every single service that you offer, as well as every single service area that you serve. If it's a county, you want every city in the county that has any type of um, volume being searched. So let's see here. What's going on here? We got some content and oh, there's something there. Okay. Um, okay. I love the customer testimonial videos. That is really good. Okay. So, you guys do have content on your homepage, which is good. But you guys are going to need a little bit more content, and it's going to need to be more focused on those buyer intent keywords that you're trying to rank for. Oh, good. So you do have pages for each of your service areas, so that's perfect. We'll just look at one of those. Let's see. St. Petersburg. Okay. Okay, so you definitely want to add content to these pages. The rule of thumb is you need 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. And the purpose of having separate pages for each place that you service is to be able to target those keywords so that Google can put you in front of those customers. So you need to have you need to be using these keywords and building out content around them for each of the services that you provide in each of the areas. And your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, because Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go and index each one of these pages, looking at the content and pulling out those keywords so they can get you in front of your customers in each of the areas that you service. If we look at one of your top competitors, property restoration, they also have multiple pages, and I believe they do extra services, which is okay. But as far as the water and mold that you guys do, you definitely need more content than they do. Um, so they're really driving those keywords, which is really important. Let's see. They have content, but they still don't have enough content. Um, So you need to have more content than them, but I would strive for at least the 1,500 words for your homepage and work on the content for your back pages, and service areas as well, because you're going to need that in order to beat your top competitors. This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website performs, and yours is not too bad. You have a 20 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, and that is 100% due to your referring domains and backlinks. So you're going to need more backlinks, but you need higher quality backlinks. You need more authoritative, do follow backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so it's going to be important that you have higher quality backlinks than your top competitors, and that you have more of them. You're being indexed for about 1,400 keywords, and you're currently seeing traffic of about 413 per month. Part of that is due to your blog. So the blog is great as long as it's sending links back to your homepage to drive sales. I noticed a lot of the backlinks are going throughout your website, which is perfect, what you want. And you have a lot going to your blogs, which are good as well. But you want traffic that's going to stick, and that's going to be using those buyer intent keywords throughout your service and service area pages. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 29, and that's because they have over 1,500 backlinks. So you're going to need more backlinks than these guys and better quality. Because they have a ton of extra pages and extra services, they're being indexed for over 6,000 keywords, and they're seeing over 5,000 people to their website per month. So a lot of that traffic that they're receiving could be captured if you optimize your website, as I've just discussed. Now, quickly going over backlinks. A backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this link is to your website, the higher, the more authority it's going to give you, and the higher it's going to boost you. Like this is only a 1. And you need to make sure that they are do follow backlinks. Not no follows, because do follow backlinks will share the power of the high ranking sites and boost you even higher. And then last, these should be tied closely to the keywords you're trying to rank for. So most of these are going to blog articles and the website, and they have some random words, click here, but they're not really going towards a lot of your keywords on all your pages. So in order to boost those keywords and get you to the top of Google, you're going to have to increase those. You do have some keywords that are ranking in the first page of Google, but those are mostly your brand and mold remover Clearwater and mold remediation Clearwater. Pretty much all your other major keywords are 2, 3, 4 pages back or more. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. This is the Google Maps, and it's really important to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas for each of your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps. The other 70% of leads are really generated from your website. So in order to be here and maintain in the top 3 is citations. It's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having it listed on a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow the tips that I provided you today, your website for all of your major keywords and service areas and services can be on the first page of Google. The purpose of this video was just to give you a little bit of education on what you could do to bring in more leads. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.